Hello and welcome to Into the Heart. I have an experiment for you today to build connection and a sense of closeness and mattering. So, for the next 2 weeks, multiple times a day, send a little message, maybe even give a little call to your loved one, asking how they're doing or letting them know how you're doing or what's going on for you or how their day is unfolding. It could be little messages of, hey, just thinking about you, or hope such and such is going well. It's messages about how you or how they are doing personally. It's a personal message. It's not about what you're doing. It's not a status update per se. And if you want to magnify the effect of this experiment or add a different dimension, let's focus on our parting and greeting rituals. So when you say goodbye, make sure you give a little kiss or a little squeeze, a little hug, all right? Or upon coming home and coming back together, greet your spouse before your dog or your children. Give them a little kiss on the forehead and ask them then, hey, how was your day? Or how are you doing? So let's do this for 2 weeks. Um, in the interim, you can leave messages in the comments down below as we do this, and over time, maybe we can build a stockpile of what really works, what you did more of, what you liked about it, what didn't work. Let's help each other out and learn how to build more connection in our relationships. Have a great day and see you in the future.